And yeah, as you can see, this post is highly Instagram tailored. Plus, I'll be boosting content from my own Music Chest account on Instagram, so I'll be actually growing my following. People can go ahead, check out my page and follow. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be talking about running existing Instagram post ads. Before we get right into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls. The winners here. All you have to do to qualify is like the video, drop a comment below, tag your IG, make sure you're following me, so I could go ahead and DM you if you're chosen to be the winner. It's as simple as that. And I'll be picking a winner every single day. So let's get into the video. So this is our Instagram, as you can see. And we had one post that went really well. It was, guess this song and win a box. And it had 49 comments. And it had 737 views, which is pretty good for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually boost this, not boost, but I'm going to run a Facebook ad using this existing post. So not only will it bump this post up and it can organically go viral, but it will also build our IG following. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to my ad account. So I'm going to create 020 Music Chest Instagram boost campaign. I'm going to optimize for conversions because I still want to get purchases from these ads, but I also want them to organically go viral. So usually you would start with the PPE, but organically the ad has already done well. So I won't have to waste money building comments. It's already gotten 49 comments. Ad set name 001 dot. I'm going to do frozen, save to draft. Yep, conversions, ad set, website. I want to optimize for purchase. There you go. Conversion window. Let's do, actually I want to do 1 day click because I want to get impulsive purchases. Daily budget, let's set up at $5 to start with. Audience, I want to do top 5 countries for now. Actually, I want to do Music Chest countries. So these are all the countries that we've gotten more than 20 orders from for Music Chest. Gender or detail tagging, let's do frozen. I'm going to copy this so I can now edit the name. Music Chest top countries. IG feed. I'm going to go ahead and edit placements. I'm going to do Instagram only since this is an Instagram tailored ad. Not do stories, just do Instagram feed. Go to add, select the Instagram account, use existing post, select post. Now, trick is you want to select Instagram. And here, as I'm on Instagram, I can see all my posts and I can find the one that got 49 comments. Continue. Instagram video must be uploaded to Facebook when advertising an existing Instagram video. You need to upload it to Facebook creating the ad. Alright, let me troubleshoot this and I'll get back to you. Alright, so quick update. As you can see, the post got approved and it's running on Instagram. This is what it looks like. We already have 1 post comment and 1 post save, which is pretty good. So it's already gaining traction. What I recently did was I started posting these memes on our page. I just posted this one. It's a Drake. It's talking about how the song is cool and all, but you want to get the Havana Music Chest. So I'm going to go ahead and actually boost this because 3 minutes already getting a bunch of likes. So what I'm going to do is go back to my ad sets. I'm going to create one 002, create the ad 001, optimize for conversions. I'm going to do purchase, daily budget. Let's start at $5. I'm going to do the top Music Chest countries, detail targeting. I'm going to do Drake and I'm going to flex that with Camila Cabello just because that's what the ad is. It's basically using a Drake meme combined with Havana's song. Camila Cabello, perfect, awesome. We've got 7.2 million. Edit placements, we're going to do it again, Instagram feed only, because this is an Instagram tailored post. Okay, that sounds good. We go to the ad, select the Music Chest Instagram account, use existing post, select post, go to Instagram, there it is, shop now, and I'm going to get the Havana Music Chest. I'm going to use this link because I think redirecting it makes it an extra second slower. So I'll add in the full link. And yeah, as you can see, this post is highly Instagram tailored. Plus, I'll be boosting content from my own Music Chest account on Instagram. So I'll be actually growing my following. People can go ahead, check out my page and follow. So I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm growing my account. Plus, I'm able to get purchases from people who are interested in the product. Plus, it's an Instagram post, people tag people, and it could go viral, and it could go onto the explore page just because it's a real post. That's a post on my Instagram page. So it has a chance to organically go viral and go into the explore page, which will give it a bunch more organic virality effect, and that'll drive sales to our store. But yeah, that's the whole process. I'm going to go ahead and publish this, but that's how you go ahead and boost an existing Instagram post. There's like the boosting where you boost it within the Instagram app, but this is sort of running ads using existing Instagram posts, and it's just much more powerful. There's just an unlimited amount of things you could do using this strategy. So I hope you guys found value in this video. If you guys did, be sure to drop a like below, drop a comment below. I'll be picking our best comment every single video. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.